triple talaq not integral to religion, center in Supreme Court. As per central government, why should triple talaq and polygamy be banned? What are the ethical issues associated with triple talaq and polygamy? What is Uniform Civil Code? Why India needs a Uniform Civil Code? GS Paper 1, Role of Women and Women's Organization. Why is it in news recently? The center stated that the absence of reforms in the community in the last 65 years have left Muslim women extremely vulnerable, both socially as well as financially. It impressed upon the Supreme Court to do away with the practice of polygamy and triple talaq. The center also said these practices cannot be regarded as essential or integral part of the religion. As per central government, why should triple talaq and polygamy be banned? The government maintained that triple talaq and polygamy impacted a woman's status and her right to live with confidence and dignity. It said that they were not protected under Article 25 of the Constitution, which guaranteed immunity to practices essential or integral to the religion. The ministry claimed that personal laws as well as customs and usage would come under the ambit of Article 13, which lays down that any law that impinges upon fundamental rights shall be void. The affidavit gave a list of 10 countries with sizable Muslim population to argue that laws on polygamy and divorce there had been codified and were regulated accordingly. Ethical issues associated with triple talaq. Question of equality of men and women. Unfair to women in Muslim community as many in other enjoys equal say in such matters. Women's aspiration conflicting with religious laws. Mostly it is due to interpretation. Need of understanding the feelings of the women. Societal mindset, whether it's right to counter it or not. Lack of empowerment of women and violation of rights. Should courts interfere in this matter and to what extent? What is Uniform Civil Code? Uniform Civil Code is a proposal to have a generic set of governing laws for every citizen without taking into consideration the religion. What the Constitution says. Article 44 of the Constitution says that there should be a uniform civil code. According to this article, the state shall endeavor to secure for the citizens a uniform civil code throughout the territory of India. Since the directive principles are only guidelines, it is not mandatory to use them. Why it is difficult to have a UCC? India being a secular country guarantees its minorities the right to follow their own religion, culture and customs under Article 29 and 30. But implementing a uniform code will hamper India's secularism. Why India needs a uniform civil code? A secular republic needs a common law for all citizens rather than differentiated rules based on religious practices. Another reason why a uniform civil code is needed is gender justice. The rights of women are usually limited under religious law, be it Hindu or Muslim. The practice of triple talaq is a classic example. Many practices governed by religious tradition are at odds with the fundamental rights guaranteed in the Indian Constitution. Courts have also often said in their judgments that the government should move towards a uniform civil code, including the judgment in the Shah Bano case.